Bismillah. Please like and subscribe my channel. And it's a great news about the Canada immigration. You can search the Canada CIC news, so you will find the official page. So I can click here, and you can see there is a resume of federal skill and CAC invitation of express entry. Now they have clearly mentioned now they will open in the July, so it's a great news. So express entry about FSWP, CAC and FSTP. So this is going to be happen now in July, so you can read this the full story. And it's like great deal. Those are doing ECI get in the pool, because nobody knows about the CRS score. So maybe the CRS score will be 480 or 480 plus, or maybe they will announce the selected knock. So I think you get in the pool as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.